Alright guys, what is going on? So today in the shop we got this 2008 Ben? 2008 Infiniti G35X, which means all-wheel drive, 306 horsepower. We got a little bit of damage running around the car. Just gonna give you a quick overlook of around the car. We got a bunch of, the car came with all the parts actually. So, it's a steal of a deal. So we picked it up and this is gonna be Ben's daily driver. So first thing that we're gonna start off with is taking this tire off back here, and then moving on to fixing that quarter panel right there.
It's been a while. I know you're thinking the same, but I've been feeling like a moment can't go to waste. I let go of your name, girl. I figured that was it. I stopped playing your game, girl. Yeah, I thought I could quit. I'm all up in my head, I'm sorry for what I did. Wish I could have it unsaid. Just make it right instead of treating me like I'm dead. Is it too late to control?
What we did today, we replaced the hood hinges over here, put the mirrors in, and then we also put the interior. This side cover was off, so we put that back in, even on the back. Still trying to figure out some electrical problems on the front one, but other than that, I started putting on some body filler and whatnot here, welded it closed, and then also over here I fixed up this rust a little bit. And then we're probably going to repaint this right here too, right Ben? Yeah, okay. So this side also, and then we lined the fender up with the hood over here yet, and worked on the hood latches a little bit. We got some issues over here, but we'll definitely get all that figured out yet. Alright guys, so this is what's underneath the car. We undercoated pretty much everything except for the exhaust, because we definitely need some high temp paint for that I didn't have right now. But other than that, yeah, it all looks way better than before. I'll insert some before and after pictures so you guys can see here. That's a wrap for tonight. It's currently 3 a.m. so part 1 is over.
It's done.